The door panel is attached to the door with 3 screws. The first screw is located under the chrome cover of the inside door handle. Pry the cover out. The screw is in the marked location. The other 2 screws are freely accessible. Now the panel is only attached with clips. But beware, there is a special clip at the top and back of the panel. To loosen the panel, you have to pull out the clasp. First, gradually remove the paneling from the door, starting from below. You now have a small gap and can remove the clasp with a suitable tool. Before reinstalling, install the clip first and then press the panel onto it. Now you can remove the panel a little. Finally, disconnect the speaker. Dot and the central plug for the window regulators. Push the blue lock. This causes the plug to detach itself. Good luck doing it yourself.